Good, you're actually in a perfect spot. Good, now rotate. Good, and then your right hand is gonna push more than your left hand is gonna lift up. As in, push. Yeah, you got it. So take it to tension though in rotation first. Just a little bit, like that, yeah, good. Nice.
Hey everybody, this is Dr. Warren Kalkstein here at Kalkstein Chiropractic. I'm with Dr. Brady, both chiropractors in Towson, Maryland, just north of Baltimore. And we are excited to tell you about a couple things. One, we have a new piece of equipment. We have radial shockwave and now we have focus shockwave. And you're gonna see today us using that, and I'm gonna be getting my heel. I've got some like heel pad plantar fasciitis type of syndromes going on with my foot. And then I've got just a tighter right hip from lacrosse. So I wanna get my hip worked on so that I can rotate through like both golf and with the rotational sports that I like to do. And then my heel's been bothering me. So we get to check out Focus Shockwave. It's a great modality. Mike's going to talk about how it works and what it does, and he's kind of the shockwave king in here. He's been doing a great job of taking care of people with that modality. And so we're chiropractors as well. We do this combination in physical medicine of both the manual work as well as a lot of modalities here. And with Dr. Brady and I are both kind of dealing with the same thing right now. We both got like upper neck tension. I'm going to show you how I do an occipital lift on him, and he's going to adjust my head. I get a little headache. He's going to adjust my mid back and my neck as well today. So that's where we're at with all that. So if you're watching and you're not a subscriber, check it out. Subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of educational content and just talking about how we help people in an integrative style using conservative medicine, as in not using surgery or drugs, to help people out with the problems that they've got. So Carly, thanks for all your hard work behind the camera. Keep up the good work. I know you've really made a big difference on our social media channel. So I'm going to shout out to MPI and the Motion Palpation Club and group at Logan, but also just in general. They do a great job of really teaching chiropractors how to assess and treat different problems as it relates to joint stiffness. So for Brady, I'm going to do two different adjustments. I'm going to do a CT adjustment in his upper thoracic, lower cervical junction here, and then I'm going to do an occipital lift on that same set. Cool. So Brady, getting ready to go shoot some things this weekend. Okay, we're talking about animals, right?
That's right.
That's right. You guys, bow season?
It is.
All right, good. Give me your body weight down. Nice. So just talking to him, distract him a little bit on that one, and that adjustment is it's intense when you get it done in a good way, and when you line it up the right way like that, it moves easy. So nice, easy adjustment to his CT junction. Now I'm going to retest his range of motion and his cervical spine. It kind of helped out his neck range of motion that he didn't have before at the top here on that right side. So we're going to do a light lift. It's not going to need much movement. That's what it feels like to me. So Carly, if you want to come over here, I kind of like to demonstrate how I'm doing this. I'm going to hook around C1, 2 with the tips of my finger. I'm going to reinforce with the piezoform of my hand. I'm going to take his shoulder. I'm going to tell him to just chill out there. Just relax this shoulder here for me. Good. I'm going to rock him back into extension, rotate. Now I'm already at lockout. Good. Good.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
That's it. Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh yeah, you good?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I feel good. Needed that.
All right, and then turn your head to your right for me. Good. All right, rock back. Similar style adjustment, just a little higher up on him on this opposite side. So put your body weight back into your hips a little bit by scooting your hips. He knows I'm short, so he's trying to slouch down for me. Shorter. Shorter than Brady. By like a foot. Here you go, turn to the right. That's the motion, okay? Good. And once his jaw drops, good. Great spot.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Absolutely.
Yeah. Nice. Glad to hear it.
Sweet. I appreciate it.
Yeah. All right. So that wasn't the game plan. We switched roles real quick beforehand. It was supposed to be getting worked on a little bit, but
hey, I'm not complaining.
The only thing you're really complaining about is you started out strong, but now that your true colors are showing.
I knew you were gonna say something. Yeah, you know what? It's just a little hiccup in the road here. They'll figure it out. It's still early. wouldn't be talking too much. The Ravens didn't look necessarily the best against those Bengals.
What are you talking about?
All because a backup punter dropped the easy hold to win the game.
Oh, listen, there's a lot of plays that went either way. We got so many weapons when they start to put it all
optimism.
together.
Derrick Henry looks like an animal out there. He looks like he's 23 years old running around.
I will agree with you on that. Just blowing by corners and everything.
I know.
Just a nice deep breath in here for me. All the way out. Nice and loose. Yeah, good. Oh, yeah. Okay, and then do me a favor and just bring that head up there for me, Dr. Warren. And the nice deep breath in and all the way out, nice and loose. Yeah, one more, just like that. Deep breath in and all the way out. Nice and loose. Yeah, good. Perfect. So all this tension, does that come from the 3 kids at home then?
Okay. My wife got that handled pretty well.
Yeah.
My job's easy. I just get to go wrestle with him every once in a while, and then she does most of the heavy lifting.
I gotcha. He asked me to say that before the video there, just so he could do that. Yeah, good.
Woo.
Awesome.
It's getting strong.
Alright. Nice, that was awesome.
That's kind of your little move now.
Yeah, I know. I love that CT move, you know. A lot of people, attention, students, you know, desk jobs.
I
A
walked
lot
by
of
one of my
tension
old
right
patients
there.
that you were in their room treating, and they just went like this, and now I know why.
Oh, yeah.
For me.
You figure out what you're doing for Halloween yet?
I know what I have a patient that has like too many. She's got so many Halloween costumes.
Yeah.
So they're gonna be the 3 little pigs, and my
Oh,
wife is gonna be dressing up as the werewolf or the wolf. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I was Chewbacca, and Cam, my dog, was R2D2.
Oh, that's nice.
That was fun, and I was like a full-on legit.
Wait, that was
Chewbacca.
last year where you like wore it in here, didn't you?
No, you wouldn't.
I wore that in here. Don't you remember?
I do, yeah.
What were you last year?
I actually was off on Tuesday, but I did come into the office in my Captain America. Full guard, remember that? Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. We got to do a Halloween video this year, Carly.
Yeah, that'd be so much fun.
It's on the books.
It's on the books.
All right. So Dr. Warren here. Just gonna ask him. So drop that shoulder there for me.
Chin circle spine. There we go. Nice. All right, Brady.
All right, we're bringing it all there.
Good. Nice. Yep. You
I'm
got
gonna
it.
go ahead and lay on your back here for me,
You want
please.
that one that way? Okay.
Yeah.
Try to do it. Now, come
Okay,
over here,
I
you
got you.
this. Let me try to do the rotation and lift. So try to do like a
Okay, like
rotation
a-
style adjustment
Mhm.
with the lift at the same time on the right side.
On
So-
your right side.
Yeah, so it's less lift and more rotation through your hands, and then similar setup in terms of the contact that you would have down there. Good, you're actually in a perfect spot. Good, now rotate. Good, and then your right hand is going to push more than your left hand is going to lift up. As in, push. Yeah, you got it. So take it to tension though, and rotation first. Just a little bit. Like that, yeah. Good. Nice.
A little bit too much rotation there.
Honestly, no,
No.
because I'm like, for me, no, that's
Okay.
not tight enough where I can handle that kind of a pull. You might need to be a little bit more nuanced in the way that you push through that.
Okay.
That's not how he normally adjusts it. He just did that because his
Yeah.
hands are good enough
Yeah.
to pick that up on the fly, which is impressive.
He's always teaching me new tricks too. I appreciate that.
No worries,
Yeah.
dude. I got you. Happy to help. That adjustment, like if you're having somebody that's a little bit more arthritic and a little older, honestly, and then you can't get rotation on them supine, you can. All you need is just like this much rotation with that adjustment when done the right way, because you're creating traction on the joint through the adjustment. Does that make
Gotcha.
sense?
It does.
So if I'm like, I come to me and they're like this to me, I'm not gonna do a certain thing. They wouldn't
Right.
like tolerate that, or they wouldn't move well. right? So once you start to get that little nuance kind of push through, you can take someone that normally you're just doing the Thompson drop on, and you can start to do that adjustment. And then they'll say to you, no one's got my neck moving 25, you know what I mean? Like, and it's just because you just have to kind of finesse that out a little bit more from what they got. And you can do it in a lot, it's actually a lot safer, even though maybe like to them it doesn't feel that. At first it's a lot safer in terms of just like your control. Right? And the degrees you can move them. So I feel good, man. Thank you.
I do too. I appreciate it. Yeah, anytime.
All right, so you kind of got to step in. I wanted to really do this video about shockwave, but I wanted to also get adjusted because I had a headache and my new back was feeling locked up from working this week. And honestly, yeah, like the kid, I was like Scarlett. My oldest is like in and out of the room like a million times at night. She just is this wind of energy. And so I fell asleep on the edge of her like bunk bed, like sideways last night like this, which I do most nights, trying to wait for her to fall asleep. And so then I was a little kicked up this morning. Yeah, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Carly, thank you. Appreciate
And thank you, Carly. Yeah, you're doing
you
great.
guys are watching out there, supporting us. We really appreciate it. We got cool stuff coming. We want to do more integration with you guys. And Carly's really the force behind that, so thank Carly again.
Absolutely.
All right.
And be on the lookout for the Halloween video.
Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh, Shockwave's coming next.
And Shockwave first.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't jump ahead with that stuff.
Sorry about
Everyone's
that.
like, oh no, I'm coming back for Halloween.